another episode of Tea Talk. Back on our show today is Gary Chan, our registered traditional Chinese medicine practitioner here at Red Tree Wellness. Welcome back.
Thank you for having me again.
What are you here to talk to us about today?
Today I would like to talk about something called the tooth of the lion. Do you know what that is?
It's dandelion, right?
Wow, you got it. So dandelion is actually edible, and there's a lot of good benefit of eating it. It's rich in nutrients, like there is vitamin C, B6, strong in iron, potassium. You can cleanse your liver, and you can also stabilize your blood sugar too.
Oh, that's really good.
Yeah, and that is only a few known benefits of consuming dandelion. There's also something unknown benefit of eating dandelion fresh in springtime.
Okay.
Yeah, so like in Chinese medicine, we know that untimely weather make people more susceptible to sickness, like cold or influenza. And untimely weather basically is just the body being out of sync with the planet.
Mm-hmm.
As a wild plant, the dandelion carries the energy of the Vancouver spring. So when you're actually eating it, when you actually bloom, it gives you an opportunity to synchronize your body to the planet again here and now.
Okay.
So is this to say that eating dandelion when it bloom in your local area is a Chinese medicine way to prevent influenza. But that's only one merit, and the actual benefit is incalculable.
Oh, that's fantastic. And we can find it everywhere soon here in the spring.
That's right. But there is also some tips on about harvesting them.
Yeah, so how should we harvest it and eat it?
I will only recommend you to do it at your own backyard so that you can make sure they are contamination free.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Because pesticides and pollution could be better.
Right.
And the whole plant is edible. I personally prefer to eat the young leaf just near the center. They are just more tasty.
Okay.
Okay? So what you need is just pick the leaf, rinse it in water to get rid of the dust, and perhaps you would like to soak it in salt water as well to just give it a little bit extra cleaning. And that's all you need. Then they are ready to put in your favorite salad or any cooking you like.
Fantastic.
It is.
Are there any side effects that we should know about?
In a reasonable amount, eating fresh dandelion is very safe. So you may want to start with a little bit too and eventually increase your consumption according to how your body responds.
Okay.
You do know that dandelion is cool, so if you lose appetite over it or you're having diarrhea, then that probably means that your body has too much of it already.
Okay, too much.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
But otherwise it's good and it's delicious.
Excellent. So try a local produce here in Vancouver and let us know how it goes. And then be in harmony with spring, right?
Excellent. That's right.
Excellent. Good health prevention. Thanks for being on the show.
Thank you very much.